Just a little tidbit for you guys, and I know the audio is going to be a little wonky this time because my microphone died, but a little bit of a tidbit for you guys. Make sure you're wearing eye protection, and why I say that is, well, I shoot one of my steel targets doing that little John Wick video for you guys, and I kind of got a little bit in the face by what I assume is either my steel target or a piece of shrapnel from the bullet. So make sure you guys are wearing some type of eye pro because, you know, you don't want to shoot your eye out.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid.